POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from a new company. This is, let's see, Riwbox? It's R-I-W-B-O-X, and yes, that name sounds kind of familiar, but yeah, it's not the company you're thinking of. This is a whole other company, and they make headphones, and we're holding right now the XBT-90. It's an affordable pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones that they have to offer, and we're gonna pop it open. We're gonna see what it looks like on the inside, and then of course, you're gonna go to the website at plcnetwork.net. We'll have a whole story about this later on because we can't just give you a review in a quick video with a few seconds of listening to it. It takes a little bit more testing than that. So once we've had the opportunity to do that, we'll have a full review and there'll be a link below in the description. But for now, let's see what the bad boy comes with beyond just having a really cool looking, nice, fancy box. So these headphones come with multiple different features that you typically find in headphones, such as Bluetooth. Obviously, they're wireless, but Bluetooth 5.0, so you have the most modern version of Bluetooth with support for multiple profiles, and you get up to 16 hours of listening with this. You also get some other features. It lists on the back, protein ear pad. And so which means you can, the ear pads are actually edible. That's not true, I made that up. But it's probably just a fancy term in terms of the foam they use. Comfortable design, sound isolation, doesn't have noise cancellation, just isolation just means they have a good, nice grip around your ears, hopefully. Inside the box, it's a little bit more simpler than what the outside of the box looks like. Looks like we have some accessories in a little bag here. You have a micro USB to USB cable for charging the headphones with, and you have a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter braided cable here for wired devices for, you know, when you don't want to go wireless. We have a warranty card here. So you can reach out to them and let them also let them know what you think about them in case you have any complaints or suggestions, or maybe you just want to brag about how cool they are. You have a user manual, which is just a fold out here that has some information about how to use the headphones, pairing, operation, charging, and all the normal stuff you'd find with any pair of wireless headphones. You have actually a somewhat nice little bag here. It's a drawstring bag, fake leather, but some decent thickness to it, so it's gonna protect it from scratching, which is a bonus. And then you have the headphones. They do fold inwards, so it makes it easier to pack these away. Everything's kind of, it's a two-tone color scheme. They got multiple different colors to choose from. This is their black and gold model. Everything's matte in color except for the gold accents. Everything's nice and shiny. And looks like all your buttons and inputs are on the left side. And of that, we have USB and auxiliary right there. So that's for the two cables they provide here. So you got charging and you have wired device input. You have a little hole here for microphone, mostly for helping to assist with noise isolation. And then you have 3 buttons. So you're gonna find this in most headphones. So they're gonna have all of the same functionality if you're used to Bluetooth headphones or an in-ear or an in-line remote control and wired in-ears. You'll see the same thing. You have your volume up and down, which are also going to act as your next track and previous track control. And then the button in the middle is going to be your play, pause, mute, answer phone calls, deny, hang up a phone call, and so forth. Triggering Bluetooth mode, and of course turning it on. So you would hold that down for on, off, and simple. So the headphones are really light. There's really no weight to these whatsoever, which also means probably that don't expect too much from the drivers. These are going to be affordable headphones, nothing that's going to blow you out of water. They're not going to compete with Sony studio monitors or anything from Biodynamic or anything like that. But for what they are, hopefully they sound good. They are comfy. They do fit well on the ears. They really don't have too much pressure on the ears or anything like that. They do fold up, so they're easy to store away in something like this bag here, or if you just want to throw them in, just directly into another bag, backpack, or anything else. Looks like they pack well. But of course, the golden egg of information is what do they sound like, and that you'll go to the website at plcnetwork.net once we've had the time, again, to test these out and really let you know what we think. So go check it out on the website. And until then, if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. There's a button down there to follow us, as well as a comment section so we can all discuss what we think about these. So if you got one of these yourself, do fill us in on your own opinions. We'd love to hear them. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.